Hello friends, welcome to Coding Siksha. So today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to create a PDF filled form in HTML using the library called as jsPDF. So if I write my name and country here, let's suppose India, and click submit here, so it will generate the output.pdf file auto generated and it will be downloaded. If I open this file, you will see that all these entries are being there in this PDF file. So we will be seeing that how to create this from scratch. So before that, just create an index.html file and just include the jspdf min.js file as I have already included it, and the rest of the code I will write myself, and just give a title that is a PDF filled form in HTML using JSPDF library. So just include the CDN, just write it and include your script.js. So inside this we will be having an input type of text. Let me give it an ID of name, that's it, and also a placeholder value, let's suppose name. So here the user will write his name, one input field. Other input field will be of again type text. ID will be country and the placeholder value will be country. So here the user will write the country, and lastly we will be having a button. So I will be attaching a on click attribute. So whenever we click this button, we want to execute this create PDF custom function that we will create in the script.js. And let me just give a label to the button, that is submit, that's it. So after this, going back to the script.js, we need to write this function. So write this create PDF function. So first of all, we need to check if all the fields are entered by the user or not. So for that I will be writing a if condition. So if document.getElement by id name dot value, so we are accessing the value being typed by the user by this property. If it is null, and also document.getElement by id which is country dot value is null. So in either of these cases we need to print out a message to the user, that is alert, please enter all the details, please enter all the fields. So here this will not be AND symbol, this will be OR symbol. So in either of the cases we need to present this message to the user. Else block, we will be just be creating the document, JSPDF document. So for that we will be declaring a new variable doc. We will be initializing a new instance of JSPDF, and after that we will be attaching the text, doc.text. So first of all we will be assigning the name here. So I will write here document.getElement by id name. Value, we will extract the value, and the second argument will be the x and y. Third will be the x and y coordinates. So now I will be inserting the country as well. So document.getElement by id, this is country dot value, and the rest arguments will be x and y. So I just give 25, that's it. So now I will save the file so that it auto downloads when the user loads a page. For that we have doc.save output.pdf, that's it. So now if I refresh the page here, guys, you will see that two input fields are there. If I enter my name, country, let's suppose India, and click on submit, you will see that a output file has been generated and it has all the details in it. Let me try again here, let me try here USA, and click on submit. Again PDF file is generated and you can see that the details have been changed. So thanks very much guys for watching this video.